Let's carry out the abandoned in snow punishment. Welcome to the abandoned in snow punishment. There is a blizzard outside, and I have taken my abandonment 3D Giga form. The children that were going to play with me in the snow today will no longer be playing with me. All because you keep turning off your Xbox 360 so many fucking times. Stop it, or else we will turn up the heat. Fuck you and all mankind. We don't need you anymore. By the time this era ends, dinosaurs will make a comeback to planet Earth. I'm warning you, asshole. Stop turning off your goddamn gaming system for Christ's sake.